And what are we making today, Miss Two? We are making scones for Granddad.
Yeah!
So in our bowl, we already have 4 cups of flour.
Yes.
We're making the lemonade version.
Yes.
So we're going to add 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And give that a stir. Okay, and then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. And give that a big stir. Yeah, okay, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of raisins. And we've got 1/4 cup of apricots.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're going to take a wooden spoon and give it a big stir. Oh, we're going to use that one. Okay, now we are going to add 300 ml of cream. Yeah, let me just take the lid off for you, Babs. Put that in there, carefully. Good girl. And shake, shake, shake. Good girl. And then we're going to add about 300 ml of lemonade. Lemonade. And then we're going to get our wooden spoon and go stir, stir, stir. Do you want to stir with the wooden spoon for Mummy?
No.
Okay. Okay. Stir. Stir. You're a dummy. Okay, you going to stir? Okay, you stir.
Wow.
Stir. Stir. Go mix up all the flour together.
Okay, what?
Okay, so let's shake the flour on the bench.
Hey!
Yeah, shake the flour on the bench. Yeah, tap it up like this.
Hey!
Good
I
girl.
want more flour.
Yeah. Okay.
What's on me?
Thank you, Tommy.
What's on me?
Okay, and we're gonna put this out on the bench.
Yeah.
Ready? Put that on the bench, and we're gonna knead it into a shape so we can.
Wow! Oh, raisins.
Yeah, no, we don't want raisins.
I want raisins now.
I'll get some raisins in a second. Once we have. Okay. All right. So we're gonna make this into.
Oh, soft.
Yeah. Okay, we now get our dough a bit drier. We're just gonna cut them up like this. Okay. Good girl.
Wow, slimy.
Good girl.
Come on. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Mine.
It's not yours, the flavour. This is food.
No. Cupcake.
They're not cupcakes. We're making scones.
Mikey son.
Put them in the oven,
No.
and they will cook for about 20 minutes.
No.
Yes. Alright, the scones are now been in the oven for 20 minutes and we're about to take them out.
Yay.
Oh, look at those, Shasha.
Wow. So delicious.
They look yummy. So we're going to let them cool off. And what do you have to say, Charlotte?
Cookie.
You say thank you for watching the Break It Sweetie.
Shine
Say like and subscribe
and subscribe.
and look out for our next video.